In the language in the Lando's application is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you can change the language in the land of applications, so for that you simply have to tap on your Zealander's application. After tapping on the land is application, you will be at the home page. Here you have to tap on your profile. After that, being on your profile, you have to tap on this app settings. In the app settings, at the first option should be your region. Is after tap on that option, and afterwards you have to select the language of what region that you want to select. Suppose you want to know like Friends or your French languages, have step on that option, and that's how you'll be able to change the language as well. So I won't change it right now just because I don't know the language, so that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this should I have for